We are exploring. This time I'm going to show you Lake Norrell in Saline County, Arkansas, and in part 1 of this two-part video I'm going to show you the boat ramp and the lake. These people here are very welcoming. Welcome to Lake Norrell. Although I'm here in mid-February, they still did not care to take the Christmas decorations off. And here is a nice mosaic of the area made up of 387 pieces of porcelain for the mosaic. No, I'm just joking, I did not count them. Let's go and have a closer look. Here we are at the lake. On the right there's a boat ramp and there's a car with people putting their boat into the water. This is near the city of Benton, about an hour west of Little Rock, Arkansas. There are houses and properties around the lake, which is pretty cool, really. If you had a house on a lake with a view like this. Or would it get old at some point? I'm not sure. I'm enjoying it, and I am going to show you some more scenic views of Lake Norrell here in Saline County, Arkansas. Let's walk closer to the shoreline here so you can see how clean the water is. You can see right through it, and there in the background, that's the dam that is south of the lake, and there's a little gap in the dam where the water can run off to make sure that the lake after heavy rains is always at a predictable level, always at the same level. And here somebody put a blue chair over here to enjoy the view. Let's have a look what the view is from the chair. Wow, that's amazing to see the tree line in the distance and the lake in front. Let's walk over to the dam. Let's get onto the dam and see where the water runs off. In part 2 of this two-part video, we're gonna climb down the dam on the other side, and I'm going to show you the waterfall created by this runoff water, as well as Norrell Creek that is formed by the water running off from Lake Norrell. Here we get close to the gap in the dam where the water runs down, and it's that amazing sound that you hear when water is running down somewhere. Wow, look at that. I really like the way this is constructed, that smooth and even surface there where the water can run off. And that's what we're going to see in part 2 from the bottom of that little valley. Look at the water. These are hundreds and hundreds of gallons every minute running out of this lake after some heavy rain that we had in the past couple of weeks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it.